Hey guys, it's your girl Elizabeth Marie, and I am here to give you a failed 30-minute makeup. Yeah, I failed. So if you're interested, if you're interested in getting into this little subtle natural beats, just stay tuned. Prepping my face. I look like, I don't know what I look like, to be honest. I look crazy. I look a good amount of crazy. My skin has been clearing up and breaking out at the same time, and you know what? I just been living life. I'm living like Larry, to be honest. Don't ask me who Larry is, because I'm talking about Larry the Lobster from SpongeBob, if you didn't know already. Suddenly, if you can see, I'm trying to focus. My skin, well, once you know this initial irritation calms down from like washing my face and stuff, I have opted out of using moisturizer. And what? What? It's no more. There's not a bug on the floor again, is it? It's not. It's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Oh my god. Yeah, as I was saying, I opted out of using moisturizer. Stop touching my tattoo on my back. Not just been using this. It's that it's been working. So, see Marcel. Okay, close the door. Oh, I think he's in the living room already. Whatever. Oh yeah, now you started using Vaseline as an eye cream. I've just been doing a lot of things lately that has been so simple but so good. Like I seen on TikTok that you use hemorrhoid cream as eye cream, not every day, at least 2 to 3 times, because you know they shrink the hemorrhoids and calm the irritation. It works. It definitely works. I mean, my under eye looks different. Like, you see my bag? My bag used to be way worse than this. Don't ask me why I have hemorrhoid cream. Ask me why I have children, okay? That's a more interesting answer. Let me put something on my lids. Like, I look real ashy. He closed my door. I'm sorry, I'm just recleaning because I just did my hair in here after cutting this and all that stuff. And yeah, I just don't want my bathroom that dirty as it was before. But okay, so we're gonna get right into the nitty-gritty. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can do my face in 30 minutes. Right now it is 12:45. This is where my lunch is starting. I'm doing my makeup. Did I eat a sustainable meal today? No. Am I gonna die? You know what? I ate a late dinner. And then I was snacking. So here's that. That was the e.l.f. Go Grip Primer. I think everybody that's anybody should go and get it. It says that you gotta let it get sticky. I'm just gonna take this off real quick. I ain't really tired. I didn't really do anything but curl my edges, and I messed them up. I really had to. Oh God, he's touching things. I just curled. I kind of wanted the fluffy edge look or whatever. So, what is this texting me? No, you should be able to just post it. Hold on, let me see if I can search and find that song. We're taking a break in the 30-minute. I'm helping my baby. pick me, bitch. All I do is breathe. Hold on. Hello. What the hell? Having children. We wasting time. Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's what he's summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? My eyebrows are so bushy because I wasted so much of my time. I was on the phone, but yeah. I'm so loyal to my eyebrow lady that I have not gotten, because I didn't have, you know, time to go get my facials and stuff. She does my facials and my eyebrows. So here I am. When I get my brows done, it's gonna be freaking epic. Okay. But what's been holding me down? The e.l.f. Wild Brow. I use the Ultra Precise pencil, of course. It's running low, but the e.l.f. Wild Brow, it has fibers in it. It has fibers in it. This is what's been keeping me together until I go get my tint and wax. Cheat on a man, never cheat on your eyebrow tech. You heard it here first, ladies. I need a really defined cleanup on this though. Oh, just dropped it on the floor. I'm just blending this out. Yeah, we ain't gonna make it in no 30 minutes because I was interrupted. I don't even know how long that was because it's like 1:07 now. I should have put the time on the clock. Forgot. You thought I was funny, you? That nigga lunch. Nigga ate it for lunch. Nigga really let him get lunch. So, funny you? That nigga on lunch. Nigga he ate it for lunch. Let me finish this little long face 12 hours later. You're not getting no more water. Oh my God. No. No. Stop. See? Why you should stop? You made that fall. Liam's bus comes at 3:50. He gets out of school at 3:40, so I need to be done by 3:40. Because I gotta drag that little baby downstairs and everything, so keep that in mind. This was supposed to be a cute, quick little makeup thing, it was a cute little makeup fail, that's for sure. Hopefully this don't mess it up, because when I tried to do the powder, it messed it up real bad. So I'm gonna just spray that. I'm gonna let it dry down though. All right, I think it's dried down enough. I'm gonna use this little squishy. I probably should have sprayed that after I blended this stuff, but it's okay. At least I know the NYX works, because it turned this kind of powder-like. I know I look like a ghost right now, but I promise you, it's just a bright under eye. I'm not doing that with that. Okay. So the NYX does do what it says it does. That's for sure. So what I'm gonna do, just to, which I figured I was gonna have to do anyway, I'm gonna just add some more of, damn, where did I put it? I took it from Marcel. Put it on the edges to help blend it somewhere. Honestly, I don't think that it worked out right here. I'm gonna just do the bright under eye and that's it. I mean, even me putting this little bit, it's not gonna really do much. I don't know, maybe I'm onto something. Maybe I should layer this on top of it. No. I mean, it still has that effect there. It's not like I'm really doing something to it. But you still see it. This is just the base. I look really white. Cracking under pressure. This might help some of it move again. Why does it look like this? Like even up there, like why is, I don't know if I'll be able to fix this. Anyway, so let's just keep rolling. Because
if you could stay here.
oh!
You want to stay here with her?
Now, why would he say that about your mother?
Come here. You know how about that? Act not like you stay here.
Oh, this is as good as we're gonna get this look. So let me turn this down a little bit so you can really see. I put it like a finishing powder. The finishing powder has like stuff in it. I'm gonna put some more, like it's, you see it, it has like a, well you can't see, but it has like a pink blend. This is like my favorite face palette also, by the way, like right now. Full tone favorite face palette. It gives like my skin a little glowy glow. A little glowy glow. And the blush that I have inside of here matches my cream blush that I have. Fenty. This is petal pattern. This is something else, but it's a really, it's like the exact same color, and it's also looking really good. Because the cream gives natural, but I want it. Okay. Now for the lip, I have this Revlon Kiss Plumping Cream. I never used it, but because I like pink now and I'm no longer afraid of using it, I'm gonna use it. It smells pretty. I don't know how this is a plumping cream, but my lips are also big, so I wouldn't be able to tell the difference anyway, even if it was really one. And it matches my blush really good. I'm obsessed with pink lately. For a really long time I was scared to wear wear like bold colors because my lips were big. I'm light skinned. I was like, I look like a clown. I think it's mostly because my lips were over sexualized by grown ass men. So I didn't want to draw more attention. I didn't want to draw more attention to it by putting on these bright colored stuff. I was like, lip gloss is enough. Well, yeah, I'm over that now. Cause I'm old, and also I'm older. I'm older. I'm too old now. Predator, stay away. Finally, Jesus. What are you telling me? No. Yeah, I'm gonna get time to school in 8 minutes. I started this at 1:45. It is now 3:32. I had some breaks in between. The whole purpose of this thing was for me to do my makeup on my lunch break. That didn't happen. That didn't happen at all. Do you really get a break as a mom? You don't. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. I didn't do nothing special. This wig is from Elfin. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm gonna try to find a link and put it down below. This was a T-part wig. I cut the lace out. I cut the lace from around the perimeter and I made it turn into a sew-in. So that is a tip. If you are not a wig wearer but you like sew-ins and you know how to sew in stuff, or even if you don't, I don't care. Cut the lace out of the wig and use it, especially with synthetics. If you find a good synthetic wig like Sensations, Janet, Bobby Boss, and the lace isn't as up to par, cut it out. Cut it, literally, just cut it out and turn it into a sew-in, and that way you don't have to sit there and wait around for hours, or you can wash the hair while you still got, your current look on your head. I just I'm for convenience, most of the things I do is out of convenience. I do my own hair out of convenience. I do my own nails out of convenience. I do my own toes out of convenience because I really don't have time to go and get my nails done, or sometimes I don't have the finances. So learning how to do stuff on your own is really the route to go. And if the pandemic hasn't showed you that, baby, I don't know what's gonna show you. Jesus coming. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, turn on my notifications so you know when I'm posting, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.